Hey, what is going on, everyone? Welcome back to Kiwoon Learning, and today we will once again be going over the major indices through the means of SPY, QQQ, and kind of just going through my mindset on these trades. Really, this shouldn't be like anything like too crazy, just because once again we are having a big move up today. So I do think we will see some kind of chop happening here in the morning. So just be careful for that. Just overall, this chop may lead to a certain like play kind of running out here. I did kind of want to run this strategy called a straddle, which is basically buying a call and a put at the same time on this index or this stock or ETF called SPX. SPX basically moves extremely quick on the options chain. As far as I know, moves the fastest out of all of them. So the goal today is trying to basically find SPX at good levels and try to straddle it like with small contracts. However, I don't know necessarily this is going to work terribly well, just because we do have a large gap up today. When you go back to like past history, I don't know when was the last time we actually saw a big gap. So yeah, like a gap like this where we gapped down. Again, this wasn't even that big. This is from 403 to 401, so this is roughly like a 0.5% move. We got this, ran up a little bit pre-market, and then we basically chopped for the entire day. However, the reason why we're trying to make this play slash move is for the reason that if we are able to get a move in one way or the other, that is about a full percentage point intraday trading. We most likely could see a great upside here. Again, last time we saw this kind of drop, dropping to 417, opened at 417.20, ended the day roughly 413. So this is like a full 1% move. So this was a good move down. But yeah, once again, if we want to see SPY kind of moving the same for today, we need to get good volume coming in, breaking above the 4445 level, and then continuing to move to the upside. Honestly, closing the day roughly at 408. Again, this is a very aggressive play by any means. But once again, we'll kind of see how this plays out here. Just kind of trading this. But yes, we'll see once again. We also have stuff about Europe basically holding emergency meetings this morning, or I guess last night, talking about how basically the energy market intervention. I kind of talked about this in yesterday's stream, but it's a lot about basically just the soaring electricity prices, as I talked about before with ETFs like XLE or just energy sector ETFs. It is kind of crazy because US, basically Americans who have access to options trading, can basically determine if people in Europe will have access to energy this winter. And if they don't and prices keep soaring, there's going to be millions displaced without energy, and this is going to be a real problem in terms of just everyone that's kind of feeling this. Basically, in other measures, we basically want to discuss including a plan to cut electricity use as well during peak demand in the winters. So peak demand would most likely be during the day here, or I mean, sorry, during night, roughly from 8 p.m. to 6 a.m. Once again, this is because you want to be heating your home while you're asleep. When you're out and about, you're not really going to necessarily be using that much energy. But yeah, this is definitely a big area of essentially crisis that we are seeing in Europe today. So yeah, definitely something to look out for here. One last thing, so this is Nord Stream pipeline. So this is the main, basically, pipeline for all natural delivery gas in Europe, basically. And what's happening is that it's going straight through, I believe it's Ukraine and a few other, maybe even goes as far as like Germany and France as well. But it basically goes directly through, and basically Russia said that they were wanting to constrict it by roughly 100,000 barrels of gas, which is huge, right? And basically, the value generated by a French nuclear plant isn't the same as value from a German lignite plant or a Spanish wind turbine. So there's just a lot of concern about how the money is going to be used. And so yeah. lots of stuff going on. But yeah, we also do have some stuff about airlines right now. So if you are holding on to anything in the overall airline sector, there also is relatively large stuff coming out here on them. Basically, we have the two top House Democrats basically seeking to review how this is playing out right now, and how basically COVID bailout funds and stuff and staff buyouts are happening. So what this really means is that the Treasury Department's basically watchdog to review how airlines are using COVID-19 and whether it is to be used for buyouts or staff reductions. So basically, once again, as we've seen this continued effect of COVID, that a lot of people are just, it's not worth it for them to work. They aren't wanting to work through like the mass influx of people and just overall like everyone that is coming through. So yeah, just something to think about as we head through here. We also have a lot of labor shortages this year, making it harder for airlines to recover from routine issues like bad weather, as well as the fact that U.S. carriers in 2020, with roughly 456,000 employees, fell to roughly 360,000. So once again, roughly 25%, 20% decrease just year over year. And once again, this is in June, they had 455,000 full-time employees. So it's just, we are getting back to that number of full-time employees. However, people are just overall not wanting to work, which is once again a very big piece, and just overall, you know, having the economy proving to be well. So yeah, just something to think about if you are holding on to airline either stocks or companies here heading into this winter. And yeah, once again, I'll be streaming Monday through Friday from 9:15 a.m. to 11. If you guys already want to come out, that'd be great. But yeah, don't feel too pressured. We are looking to target spy calls here at Open. But yes, we shall see. We shall see how we move. I'm wanting to kind of do this strategy as straddle, as I was talking about before, but this gap up isn't necessarily enticing. However, once again, this is on this large move back up. Last time we were getting a big move back down on these gaps. You know, we had consistent moves down. It will only be around a $150 position. It is definitely risky in that it's basically all or nothing. But the risk to reward ratio for this is roughly 10 to 1, 15 to 1. So yeah, that's kind of why I was even looking into this today. Yeah, so no really major news today. Oh, also rest in peace, Queen Elizabeth. But in terms of SPY, our thesis from yesterday is kind of playing out perfectly. We're looking for a continuation to the upside today, and perhaps a bearish second half, as we're approaching like completion for the levels for Wave C anytime now. So basically, we're looking for a strong resistance around 405, and a gap fill would be pretty bearish and viable for puts as well. But yeah, we most likely will try to play these calls up to 405. Not really knowing which way we're going to move here today, 405 would put us at roughly, like SPY speaking, roughly 1.5% for the day. So again, this is a relatively aggressive move today, but yeah, still trying to target the upside for sure. With perfect exit, probably not at 405, just because we'll probably get rejected a little bit early, but 404.89 is an area I wouldn't mind it either, to be honest. But yeah, got roughly 4 more minutes to market open here, so we shall see what happens today. Yeah, looking like 404.25 is going to be pre-market high here. So once again, this is gonna be just used as level of resistance here. 404.28 to be a little more specific. If we do get a quick sell-off, we're probably targeting to look at 401.50 area, right? This area, again, a large area of support / resistance that we've been using. This happened on last Friday, actually. It's interesting timing, actually. But yeah, 405 or 401.52 seems. 401.54 it seems. It was yesterday, or not yesterday, last Friday's area of resistance. So if we're looking to try and peak at somewhere or come down to somewhere, it's probably where we're going to be targeting. So yeah, very solid sell-off coming out of SPY here. We again peaking the morning hour for the 404.31. But again, pulling all the way down to 402 here. Basically maintaining that this gap up will only be a half percentage point. So, I don't know, real interesting stuff coming out here actually. Yeah, cause yeah, it's only up 0.5%. If we can end the day minus 0.5 or up 1.5, things could get interesting with the straddle here. Yeah, very interesting stuff, actually. Still kind of thinking I wanna grab the straddle. We shall see what happens when the chain opens, but yeah, I don't know. We shall see, we shall see. Okay, 10 more seconds to open here. Tree, I actually didn't like this straddle, like 10 minutes ago. The SPY's not only up half percentage point. And that is open. And we are getting buy signals.
Hello.
Hello.
What the fuck? Oh, we're above 400.
Yeah.
Oh. Are we calls?
Yeah, I mean, I'm thinking call straight off the bat here.
Not even the retest down. Shoot. That's crazy. What happened? How do we gap up so much?
Yeah, I actually couldn't tell you. Holy shit.
You got calls?
Yeah. SPX position up 30% here. Selling one contract.
Nice. I'm too scared to buy anything right now.
That's fair.
I guess 404 would be pre-market high.
Yeah.
Dude, a freaking mosquito bit me. Fuck.
What?
It like just happened to me now. It's so itchy.
What the?
Oh, it's messed up. That dude's messed up.
Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness.
If we break over 404, I have 406. Is that right?
I mean 4 or
Yeah,
5
no, no.
is extremely strong just because of psychology, but yeah. Psychological levels are probably gonna play pretty well here.
We have not been up here in a while.
Yeah, I'm out of my other contracts for 28%.
Nice.
Tree, you know why I got calls though?
Oh, here, I'll go.
I'm telling you. I'm telling you, Tree. You actually can't get better than that.
Pretty crazy.
Dong! First candle coming up. Damn, that ran up like 40%. Whatever.
Are you gonna still go?
Yeah, probably. Sheesh.
Ooh. You're 100%, Kayla.
No, I
What's
know,
gonna
I
happen?
know. It's okay. I'll take my 30%ers any day. I mean, but this is stupid though, yeah? Like,
Like, how does
technically,
it know right at open?
I know. Technically, you play this all the way up to 40405. Just all the way up to the top blinder. But, yeah. Should I try running this rattle? I don't
Dude,
know.
I don't know. It's above 400 now, cause it's not in that $10 range anymore.
Yeah, I know. What do I do, Trey?
We might just go straight up to it. Let me see. Daily chart looks like it's gonna go up.
Yeah. increasing volume too off the selling.
I wanna wait till the retest of 401.
401. Okay. There's a sell signal in the 1 minute.
Yeah.
What in the stupid?
I will buy calls there if we get like a bounce, like a nice bounce.
Watch, it's gonna be a pausing candle in the 5 minute. We are getting good volume though, which I like a lot here.
Yep.
Yeah, I think straddle will be just set for next Friday, cause I think like, isn't that insane though? Like what the payout was?
Yeah.
Like the risk to
Yes.
reward ratio was 30 to 1 tree.
I was like reading that, I was like, is this right? And I looked back and I was like, oh, you're right.
Yeah, like when I was just randomly just doing research like on like I don't know this. My friend was telling me like doing straddles on SPX and I'm like, what in the stupid? SPX moves too fast for that. And I was like, yeah, maybe, but just look at it. And he was looking at them for Nvidia because you know how big Nvidia's been moving. But yeah, I was like, all right, let me see this on like Friday for SPY. Also, what a recovery. But
We're really not gonna get the retest today, huh? I mean, it's only been 2 candles.
wow, yeah, true. We're not getting the retest. Yeah, cause like it seems like how Fridays have been going, relatively consistently at least, is that we make a very quick move, like first hour, like 45 minutes
Yeah.
to the first hour, and then we just completely revert. Like I think it was September 2nd was last Friday, right?
Mhm.
Yeah, we peaked at highs. Yeah, an hour into trading, and then we completely reversed. And then Friday before that, what was the Friday before that, Trey? Was that
The first, or the second, and then the Friday before that was the 26th.
26th? Oh wow. Okay, that's why I paid out so much a lot 2 Fridays ago. I forgot about this. That was remember when Paul was speaking?
Yeah.
That yeah, that day just went bye bye. Yeah, that day.
We just went straight down that day,
Yeah,
right?
we did. Yeah.
Oh. Ooh, retest?
I think so.
No, not today.
We're holding. Wait, what is this? Is this a 200? 250 maybe? Holding both.
On the 5-minute, it's all of them. The
Oh.
9, the 21,
yeah, I guess
the
so.
50.
I was like, wait, what? Oh, we get
What?
increasing volume on the 5-minute? What? What? Wait, that's crazy. Increasing volume after opening candle?
Really? Mine shows decreasing. So 2 million on the first one, 1.4 on the second one.
Oh, one day. Okay, TradingView just wants me to lose. I think people want to grab puts right now, though.
breakout puts?
No, that's what I'm gonna try to.
No. I want to wait for the big one. Nope. It just wakes up again.
No, seriously.
That's...
Bro.
What is this candle? Dude, I was so sad yesterday.
Why?
It was 1000%. 30 minutes. And I was like, oh, I got 100%. I'm happy.
Hey, you should
And
be
I
happy.
waited.
Stop.
I
Stop
waited
this.
like an hour for that too. I was like, damn, it's gonna go down from here.
Tree, what? Why is this moving like this?
I don't know. I don't think it knows what it wants to do. Say you give it a second.
Holy shit. What the hell?
If this makes a higher high, could be forming a trend line again.
Yeah, but it's just gonna completely wiggle. Oh! What?
This is
What? What? Tree, what?
I really don't know. I really don't know.
Tree, what the hell is going on?
Oh, the puts, baby.
Oh my god.
Did your algo say to go short?
Wait, hold on.
Dude, did another mosquito just freaking bite me? Oh, so annoying. You go puts here, right? No? If it holds below.
Oh my god.
Huh.
I just hit. Whoa! Oh my gosh! I just hit such a big play.
Really? You
Okay,
bought
I just exited. Yeah. Sorry. Bro, I can't talk when fucking SPX is moving. Oh my goodness.
Nice, but look at that wick though.
I know. I'm so happy I got out. I didn't know if I was gonna get filled or not. Bro, when we retrace like that, yeah, that's crazy. Okay, so entered SPX put at 2.55. Exited SPX 3980 put at 3.5.
Nice.
Oh my anxiety, bro. Seriously, I was like thinking in the back of my head, oh, I should get the card, I should get the card. No, no, don't ever get the card. I don't know why I was ever thinking that.
If you love money, don't get the card.
That's actually for real. I got the 14% card. That's what I got. But the one before that was the 34%er. So. That is such a large dub. Dude, my small oh my gosh. Tree. Guess what my small account percentage is up right now? I just withdrew money though, or deposited money in my checking account. But guess how much the small account is up today?
50%?
33.33%.
That's crazy.
I hit it at third. Oh my! Look at that, bro.
Dude,
What?
I wanted to buy calls.
Nah,
If it
this
breaks
is
over these
this
calls-
thing's crazy. That's stupid, bro. I mean, do you see that? You're moving 402.49 to 403.80. 3 minutes. Not even. 2.5 minutes.
Yeah.
The wicks today are insane. That's why, like, I wasn't talking for a second, because, like, I didn't know if I was gonna get filled or not. Like, I was trying to put in the order, but I was trying to put it in for, like, a good price and also, like, not get completely wicked back out.
Yeah.
I also feel bad for the person who bought my put. I'm pretty sure they bought it at the at the highest point that you possibly could have bought it at. Because I think when we're like mid-bar, like here, it was trading at like 3.2, and I just set it for 3.5, and we were like 3.4, 3.45, and then I literally as soon as it touched, I got hit 3.5. Your order has been like filled, and then just went do do do, and then just went all the way back up.
It's funny.
Yeah, that was.
Do we reject here again?
I don't know, but I will tell you that we almost perfectly bounced off of this 402.50.
Yeah, we reject here again. God damn.
We have been wicking like a lot recently though. Oh my goodness though. That trade actually just made my day. Tree. Oh my goodness. So I entered the put at 9:41 and 58 seconds, so 9:42 basically. Exited the put at 9:45. 3 minute, what is that, 40 something percent play? Yeah, 2.55 to 3.5. Yeah, it's like 42% maybe. Oh yeah, DocuSign was moving yesterday after the earnings. I mean, yeah, they just, oh my god.
What?
They
Are they up
peaked
a lot?
after hours yesterday at 68. They're now at 63, but they're still up 9%.
Jesus.
They might just continue to sell off, actually. Oh wait, this would low-key be the best time to enter the SPY or SPX straddle though.
Yeah.
I'm just gonna type like, I'm just gonna paper trade it like in chat and just type it out where I would have entered.
I do it. No.
No, I think it's still too risky. But this is really good because we're kind of squeezing, so SPX is getting like hit hard. Straight up paper trade. We have 29.45. SPX put. So no. And then what? 4095. Yeah, perfect. 4095. Call. That's 0.70. Okay, so total position would be 140 here. Sheesh. Neo making pretty big move up today too. Neo up 9%? Mole mole.
Oh, David's favorite stock.
Yes, I know.
Oh
My goodness, tree. Calls are up 1900%.
For Neo?
Neo, yes, from yesterday. Oh my goodness.
Why do we always miss these?
I don't know, and on top of that, it was like a perfect trend line too, apparently. Yeah, I don't see this at all, actually. Hold on. What was he looking at? He was looking at 4-hour chart. Wait, that is what I'm looking at. Okay, he's looking at descending channel happening since February, maybe? So from here. So there's apparently, it probably looks a lot better without all of the signals, but there's like a descending channel happening from here. And like this is like the bottom of it or something like that. And this is where we pop up. But down.
Why is Spy being so weird? Staying so long. Do anything. Bounce here. Does it bounce here?
Yeah, we are chopping. Increasing volume though. So breakout happening soon? Maybe, maybe. Do-do-do-do. We are squeezing.
Ah, this kind of looks like yesterday. Before it like moved up.
Yesterday? Oh yeah. I mean that's it.
Where it was like at that choppy point.
Yeah.
Then after it broke, it just worked.
Whoa. That's
Ooh.
a lot of selling. Lots of volume coming in though. Holy. just volume?
I don't know. It's been too up and down. I'll wait to see how this 5-minute closes. Yeah, no. It's still deciding what it wants to do, Caleb.
But why? No, I know. Volume is insane here, though. Like, this is some of the most, I don't know, consistent volume,
Yeah.
like, ever. Like, we're moving sideways, but yeah, I don't know.
Oh, is this the break to the upside?
Potentially.
Alright, I'm gonna get calls. See after how this candle closes. Nope. Rejected at the same spot. Dude, I don't know. Calls look good now.
I like how we're talking puts like 3 minutes ago. Not even.
I
But
know.
yeah, I like calls too here. Calls would stay consistent with what we've seen. We get this
Yeah.
move up to like 404.90.
Okay.
Breaking
Okay,
days
okay,
highs
alright.
here as well. I like it.
This
I
candle.
like it. Just need to close over days highs. That was the only thing.
Yeah.
Come on, close over. This is looking to be a really weak close though.
Yeah.
I mean,
They only just buy one.
Still play this. Just by the way, Algo was saying closing longs here, just on the 1 minute, not on the 5 minute.
Oh,
yet.
really?
Yeah, 5 minute you still more room to move. Yeah.
Yeah, I bought one.
Yeah, I trust 5 minute more than I do 1 minute, especially on like super chop like this. 404.28 is where I would have exit, but you just got in, so I don't know.
Yeah. I don't know, this is pre-market high. Ah, that was too early. I'm up 7%, I don't know if I should just sell.
I mean, volume's still looking good, but again, that previous break just wasn't very strong on previous day highs. I mean, you could wait, right? Just set, maybe you're just set stop super close, like for break even or something.
Yeah.
I think this is break though.
Yeah.
Bro, but these breaks are so fucking weak. It's just like, it's happening at the end of the candle, which is never a great sign.
Yeah.
Oof, yeah.
That is pre-market high. I'll give it a second.
It's the pausing candle, it's the pausing candle.
I hope. I really hope.
Oh, 5 minute, I'm getting closed long too. Oh, yes, go up.
Kill blow.
I think that's actually been one of the funniest things you've ever said. Caleb blow. Bro, I was just like, I think I was sitting here, like sitting on like a foot or something, and then you just started blowing into the mic. I was like, Tree, what are you doing right now? I'm blowing, don't worry. We'll go up.
Blow the candle down.
Are you up like 10%? 15?
Yeah.
Of course, volume needs to just roll over right now. Like, what? We have super consistent volume, and it's just like, yeah, nope, not anymore.
Oh, dude, I don't know about this.
I mean, just play the close under 404.27. Yeah, like over day size. Until then, you just stick with it. Okay, maybe now you sell. Tree?
Uh,
Yeah, tree. If you can get a fill anywhere around here, you're probably good. Unless you want to play the 4 or 5 break. That's completely up to you. But risk management says you're probably up over 25-30% right now.
yeah, I am.
Fill anywhere near here is probably fine for an exit. We're getting close here. And there's the selling. Oh, okay.
I got out.
Hey,
25%.
I'll take that. You even break over 4 or 5. Oh well, right? You re-enter, but that's a good trade.
Yeah.
That, my friend, is good risk to reward ratio. Yeah, your
Yeah.
stop's close, and then you just kind of let it run out. That's good. That thing was moving fast, though. That 1 minute candle was kind of big.
Yeah. Oh, good thing I sold. Dude, those contracts were not moving though. That was kind of weird. Cause I bought it all the way at 403.80.
Jeez. Yeah, that. I mean, at peak, I would have imagined that to be nearly 40%.
No, I've seen that happen like yesterday too when I had a call. I guess like people were selling their calls as it runs up or something. I don't know.
I mean, yeah. I guess, right? Locking in profits, essentially.
Yeah, but like even right now, it's like not
405,
even
holy
moving.
shit. Even right now. Also, I
Well,
didn't realize that come up on that volume. Oh my goodness.
I hit my price target for the where I wanted to sell. Well, that's
Okay.
fine. I sold it like 10 cents under.
Yeah, that's not bad at all. Especially with these like wicks, like I would much rather get out 10 cents lower than having the anxiety of having to go through sitting and just watching it go like whoop 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 whoop.
Oh, that was a pretty good trade though.
That was. I hit a 35%er and a 45%er. You just exited out a very solid trade. Been doing good, Trey.
Dude, we've been on fire.
Yeah, we actually have been.
Dude, I've been green all week. There hasn't been a red day. I maybe had like 1 or 2 red trades.
That's double. No single red trade or red day for Trey. Always good.
Yeah, I was super patient this week. I feel like we get some kind of consolidation here. I really do not know like where it's gonna stop going up today though.
Yeah.
We're already at 1%. See, yesterday you can kind of just tell just because 400 level always rejection.
That's fair.
But let's see today, like where we're at. There's not like the move in this area has always been fast to the upside or downside,
Yeah.
and we're breaking over the 21 right now on the Dame.
I think I would
All
take
right,
puts
it's
here
kind of
though.
holding there.
Yeah, it's just like these wick backs. I mean, and that decrease of volume. Do you see that in the last 2 bars on 1 minute?
Yeah.
Heading into this 405. I don't know. I would play puts back down. But yeah. Hmm.
5 minute looks good though.
Yeah, it does.
Next level I have is 406. Point like 5.
I don't have anything. I haven't redrawn lines above this level.
And after that, literally, it's just 410.
That's crazy.
I doubt we go all the way to 410 today.
Yeah, 410 would be kind of insane. 410, I mean, you're talking about what? A 2.5% day for SPY?
Yeah.
Yeah, no.
Don't tell me my contracts are up 100% now. I will cry. Oh, it's 50%.
It's fine. It's just that, I mean, this is gonna give you anxiety, like, holding
Yeah.
this, though.
Yeah.
Like, I don't know. Sometimes, like, money ain't worth the anxiety, you know?
No, I was only getting like anxiety because my contract wasn't really moving. Like
Hmm.
at some point in that whole move too, like I was red. I was like, what the fuck? Like, how is my contract red when it's going up?
Yeah, that's
So that's why I kind of wanted to sell too, so I don't feel too bad.
that's just weird, though. I don't know. Yeah, I mean, I talked about this, like, a while ago, but options trend's just been, you know, it hasn't been accurately moving. So,
Yeah.
whether it's market manipulation or whatever it is, something's going on. But I can guarantee you that definitely something's going on. I mean, these wicks are worse than like any other day we've had so far. Actually, no, maybe I lied. Yesterday's was pretty bad too. But that was
But
only for a little bit of time.
didn't they buy like a ton of puts like a few days ago?
Puts, yeah. There was a flow of puts, however, um, there was also a lot of equity buy. Remember something like that? There was upwards of, I want to say 250 million in terms of people just buying the actual, like, SPY. So, yeah.
Dude, like even now the contract isn't moving. What the heck? It's still at 50%, even though like it moved up even more, like higher.
Yeah, that's not data.
Yeah, it's definitely not theta. Cause this is like within 2 minutes.
Yeah.
Dude, that's so weird.
Something weird be going on.
Is there IV or something? What's IV today? It's not even that high.
What's it at?
I don't know. Like, well, on SPY it's like 35, 34. Do we have news or something? Let me see. Market calendar. Payroll, unemployment rate. But that's all out. Core capital equipment. No, there's like nothing today. Oh wait, no, I was reading the wrong one. My bad.
One day we're gonna think there's like actual news going out, but there's actually no news at all.
Yeah.
Wait, what?
There's some people speaking today.
Tree,
But
I
they're
think the
not.
straddle's working.
Is it?
Yeah, SPX 4095s are at 1.35 right now, so $55 gain on that. And then 3945s are at 0.35, which is only a $35 loss. So you'd be up net plus $20 in that position right now. And that's plus $20 on a $150 position. So, I mean, you're up like, what, 12.5%, 15%?
Yeah.
That's not bad at all.
That is not bad. Yeah, there's nothing today. And let me just look at this contract. I'm pretty sure now it's red. Dude, it's back to like where I bought it.
What the heck?
Oh wait, no, never mind. I was looking at the wrong. Now it's up 60% right here? Huh? Huh?
Wait, what?
I'm so confused.
That can't be right.
Oh, no. Yeah, it's back to break even right here. Even though you buy it all the way down here. Yeah. Dude, there's some weird stuff going on today.
Huh. That is
Like,
very
after
odd.
a big move too. Now it's back to break even. From one red candle. Interesting.
Interesting indeed. That. Huh. I don't even know what to say. That's very weird. Maybe I'll do some research on it later this weekend. 'Cause that is not right.
Right? It's like the memes you see, like, oh, you buy a contract, it barely moves on the way up, but this is like, you lose half your position in one red candle.
Yeah, wait, what? Hmm.
Very weird.
I'm trying to see if there's anything else going on right now.
So I'm actually very glad that I got out.
Yeah, yeah. Let's see what else is like high right now.
I guess IV is kind of crushing because it went down by 2%.
Yeah, Ivy is.
IV is weird today, I guess.
Ivy, yeah. I mean, Ivy on SPX is a little bit higher than normal. By what is it? Theta? Wait, what? Maybe this is why. Theta right now is higher than contract prices.
Oh, I see it. Yeah.
You see, like, that's not just my
What
phone,
the
right?
No, dude, that's crazy. Huh?
I don't think Theta's ever been higher than contract prices, has it? At least not that I can remember. Okay, so Theta is just out of this world right now. Delta's fine, open interest fine. What is Gamma again? What does Gamma indicate?
Forgot what gamma is.
Okay, Gamma describes the rate of change in options delta per 1 point move of the underlying asset. Okay, so what is Gamma for?
No, you're right. Theta is freaking crazy. What the? You can lose your whole contract?
Well, more than your whole contract.
You're gonna be in debt? What?
Yeah, I mean, Theta's usually, even on SPX, it's usually about 10% lower than what the actual contract price is. So if it's like trading at like 1,000, Theta will be like 0.9 or 0.88 or something. But it's never higher. That is interesting. Yeah, SPX absolute gamma levels. So these are plotting the highest and lowest SPX gamma levels. They get up to about 1. Right now the gamma levels are at 1. Or at 0.1. 0.1, I mean.
Yeah.
Or wait. Wait, what? No, they're at 0.01. Meaning that that's why it's moving so slow. Because gamma is describing, so the rate of change in options delta per 1 point move of the underlying asset. So every move that SPX moves, every single point that it moves, the delta doesn't change basically at all. That means on the when you're moving one way or the other, so it calls the upside or puts the downside. On top of having insane theta, your contract will just not move as much as it usually would. Yeah, that's crazy actually.
Then should we wait? I don't feel like buying anything if it's like this.
I mean,
Then if you're just wrong, you might just lose 50%.
yeah, I mean IV in theory is still high right now. 34% on SPX, it's usually 28. Same thing with SPY. SPY is, what's their thing right now? SPY is, oh, it's 32%. Why is it so high? SPY is usually 22.
Interesting, huh? Very, very interesting. Well, we're going to the moon. Will this be the start of the new trend line? We will see.
Potentially.
It's a very steep one again.
Again, and when I was learning trend lines, Trend line's really only effective between like 30 and 50-degree angles. This is like more than 60. Same thing with
Yeah,
yesterday.
but yesterday it worked.
Yeah,
I was
yesterday
like, once it
worked.
broke, I just bought a put just to see. I bought a really cheap one too, but I was like, damn, like 100%. But 1,000% though, 1,000.
Tree, we'll hit it one day, but that day will be when we both have a lot more money, okay? And then we can let contracts run out like that.
Yeah.
There's a lot of volume on that 1 minute. Interesting. Yeah, this is nasty.
Yeah, this isn't gonna be a trend line. I can just tell. I'm gonna delete it now.
I'll just delete it now.
Dang, this camel in the 5 minute is pretty crazy. All the way to 405.56. $1 down, basically.
You said 5 minute?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah. That is nasty. I'm telling you, 405 wasn't the level, it was like just a random 40 to 60 cents above. It's just like, yeah, that's what we're gonna reject from.
Let's see what Twitter is saying about today.
What is Twitter saying?
Mortgage rate is at 5.9, highest since 2008. But I mean, we all knew that.
Yeah, that's so crazy though. Also, just by the way, I just wanted to let you know we have Google Flow puts coming in, expiring today. Yeah, that's interesting. Yeah, we have Google 110 puts coming in. We have a lot of puts coming in actually. Holy shit. Google, Tesla, and Roku puts all expiring today. Premium, the Google one's 81,000, Tesla 131,000.
Apparently, the guy that has this other big Discord, he says, cause like he has like this strategy. I don't remember if I told you. It's like the fibs, and then like
Oh yeah.
where it overlines with like the 21. So he has one on the daily. So in theory, we won't hold above 405 today if his strategy
So the
is
fib,
true.
where does he have his fib at?
405.16.
Interesting.
Yeah, so if we don't close above it today,
I guess you can take puts into Monday.
yeah.
I always like hate swinging for singular days though, cause like that genuinely is a coin toss, like most of the time, at least.
Yeah.
And if it doesn't go your way, it usually screws you over. if you buy like too close of expiries.
Yeah.
Okay, I just want to see where the Strel is at now after we consolidate. Or we consolidated. I mean, 39.45s. Okay, 39.45s are down. 0.415. Okay, 25 bucks.
Oh, dude, this is funny. And also so messed up. I don't know if this is like fake.
Uh-huh.
But someone screenshotted like Jim Cramer saying like, "I bet the Queen will pull through this," and then
Oh
someone
my,
retweeted.
no, no, no,
Absolute
no.
legendary inverse indicator.
Bro, Kramer needs to get off the screen if he actually said that. Oh my goodness.
Yeah.
That is so bad.
And then this other guy's like, "Nah, that's just wrong." Oh, that's funny. Ah.
5-minute buy signal here in the 1 minute. Or, what did I just say? 5-minute buy signal on the 1 minute? What the hell? 1 minute buy signal, that's what I meant. 5 minute, we're still at the top of the polling here. Waiting for everything to kind of catch up here. But we shall see.
Why couldn't we just be in the $10 range again today?
Yeah.
Like, I just knew where to buy and where to sell it that when it was there.
Yeah.
Today I just don't know.
We're into uncharted territory, Tree.
Yeah.
I've started to drop off here though. On the 5 minute.
Yeah. We'll see if it bounces at, what is it? 404.26 pre-market high.
Yeah, 26, 27. It's. Oh no, sorry, I'm tripping. 404.29 was the actual exact one. Wait, no, I'm still wrong. Oh my goodness. Pre-market high was 28. The top of the previous candle was 29. And oh my goodness. Shish. Whole lot of selling coming in. I just like, I can't believe how bad we're wicking on the 1 minute though.
Yeah. I feel like this all morning.
Yeah.
The only one time was like that run up.
Yeah, and even then we only had like one candle that was like actually solid.
That should have been 100% for me, but I don't know why. I don't know why the options are doing this.
It's fine. But yeah, options definitely be moving well on today. I'm telling you, Tree, these Google puts, they're not lying.
That's the thing too, is like, you see how it held through all that, like to the high? But then like, if it was moving like how it normally was, I would have sold after like 2 candles.
That's true. Oh, making lower lows here. Another buy signal coming out in the 1 minute. Oh yeah, spy put. One of the guys I really trust actually. Spy 1018. He's going farther out on expiry, but he's grabbing 372 puts.
Ooh, so is this golden goose thing on a daily actually gonna happen?
I think so. And this guy the alert I just said was from a guy that I think he's missed like once in the past month. So
Jesus.
yeah. But seriously, like getting to know people when you like begin to trade, actually best thing all the time, because you just meet like a bunch of other people that don't know anything else, and then
Yeah.
like 90% of them just fall off and they don't continue. But like the 10% that do, they like eventually get pretty good at it, and then eventually like just some guys just, I mean I do the same for them too, but they just send me stuff like charts, and then they're like, yeah, this was the position, and then here's where I'm going. Like, okay, sounds good. But yeah, most of them have like their own servers now. I never really wanted to like go make my own. I don't know, just because it's kind of nice. But honestly, now having one, it is nice. But I still don't know exactly how we're gonna do the public launch of this because, oh goddamn, I don't know.
Just do it. You know, Nike.
Yes, yes, yes.
Oh, Caleb, this is so boring today. Why? For a fucking Friday. Uh, it did sort of bounce,
Did off
but
of
it
3
didn't
buy
really.
signals on the 1 minute.
Yeah. I mean, that would have been the entry
Yeah,
if you wanted to get calls.
that was the what was this? The 100 or 50 in the 1 minute.
Only 1 minute? Yeah, it was a 50.
Yeah,
Plus, like, there's support right there because we broke over it.
yeah.
Yeah. This would have been at least 20%. Ooh, is it gonna break highs? Cause that would have been a perfect retest.
Yeah.
Volume's is shit though. No. I mean, it's not that bad. Could be higher.
Sell signal in the 1 minute.
Ooh, it's breaking over.
It is breaking over.
Calls again? Nah, not yet. Oh.
Volume actually just dropped off a cliff though. Like, got like so many like 30 minutes straight, just consistent bars, and it's just like, no, not anymore. Yeah, close over days highs will probably push us back up to the 405.53, but I don't know we shall see. We shall see.
Oh my god, this is so fucking boring. Just kidding. No. Trading is patience, okay?
Trading is patience, however.
Alright. I think we might have a trend line on the 5 minute if this breaks above.
Yeah, maybe. And 240 to close. Yeah. Get the close over 4 or 519 or 4 or 520. Looks pretty good.
Oh, I guess the trend line would work on the 1 minute too. We'll see. We'll see. Oh. That is the break. A pretty solid volume too. 400,000. Yeah.
Well, it was 140 for a 5 minute though. Getting multiple sell signals here though on the 1 minute, but I wouldn't really mind this as much. Oh.
Row 6. I think 406.
Yeah. I think 462. Still 1 more minute. If we can get to close it on the 5, I very much like this. Yeah, volume's starting to pick up too. Oh yeah. Wait. Oh, 55 on that. Oh, 55, and then the put is down 35. So yeah. Spread so far hasn't been going like anything insane, but I mean you'd definitely
Is
be
one almost like in the money?
No, not
Or
even close. I don't think. We need to continue to move.
Yeah.
Yeah.
At the 5 minute over? Yeah, it is.
That is the 5 minute over.
So this next candle should be ginormous.
In theory, yeah. Or we pulled onto the 9 and set it up for the big candle. You still haven't broken over day's highs yet. Here's the pullback. This would be the place.
It would be. It would be. I'm gonna see. I'm gonna. Oh,
Ooh.
that's not good.
Oh, they don't care. Tree, they don't care. It don't matter. You using the 9 EMA? We're using the 12. Seriously, this is why I like genuinely believe like EMAs like don't matter. Like they matter to some extent, that like, you know, you still need to follow trends, but try not to get your entries off the EMAs are like, they're really rough. buy it towards the end of the candle, if anything.
Hey, I guess the contracts aren't moving that bad now.
Was Ivy
From
kind of
that
reset?
bottom, I don't know, but from the bottom to this top, it's 30% or 25%.
Oh, what the heck?
Yeah.
IV is still rocket high though. Also, we completely engulfed that previous candle.
Yeah.
Theta is still just. Theta's not the entire thing anymore, at least, which is good.
Dude, volume's kind of dying on the 5-minute, but this should hit like 406.5 if the move is the same as the one before. Should've just entered. Would've been an easy 30% right there.
Also, I think I will be getting off in like 15 minutes or like 8 minutes, just because I have some stuff I need to do around noonish. So, yep.
Sounds good. I'm probably gonna take it slow today. Might do like trading later.
Yeah, that's also probably smart. Like midday, we'll probably get some kind of move as well. I feel like that move that you caught on the way up, that's probably gonna be the biggest move this morning.
Yeah.
Like, again, SPY's already up, what, 1.25? That's a lot. Of course, we can keep it extending to 1.5, 2.0, but I mean, yesterday wasn't bad either. SPY still ended like, what? Didn't SPY end up like a full percentage point yesterday?
I think so, yeah. I closed at 400, above 400.
Yeah, because we opened yesterday down at, yeah, like 395. So yeah, $4 move. That's over percent move. So I mean, back to back, 1% to 2% move.
Yeah.
I don't know about that. I mean, maybe, but I don't know. Oh my goodness.
You spelled straddle wrong.
I did.
Startle?
I did. Startle. Oh well, it's okay.
Yeah.
Not many people came by, so I don't think anyone saw it anyways.
Yeah.
But it does look like the 50 is quite strong though today on the 1 minute.
Yeah.
The fact that we double bounce off that. Again, that was, I guess, support, but interesting. Also, Trey, look at this on stream. Somehow the algo even calls the gap up, bro. What? What is this? You know, like, come on now.
What?
Like,
Oh,
I think
dude,
I
that's
caught
funny.
it on the 5 minute too. Oh wait, I went back a day. Yeah, on the 5 minute I caught it too.
What
Just
the
like,
freak?
bye. Okay, we'll just move up like a full percentage point.
It's crazy.
It is crazy.
Oh
Walmart's?
my god.
Walmart's for?
Oh.
No, not Walmart. Where? Wait.
Oh, this is
Wayfair.
the move, Caleb. This is the move.
No shot. Oh, this is the move. The move we were all waiting for. That's the
Damn,
break
if
of
we
days
just
eyes.
bought at that 50 EMA, just imagine.
True, we would have closed like here, okay? We would have closed 3 candles later, 3 minutes later, and we would have gone out with our 30%. Stop this.
Woulda, shoulda, coulda.
Yeah, Yeah, no, we probably should have bought off the 50 though. But yeah, we probably wouldn't have continued to hold. Yeah.
Is right if it just breaks over 406 like 25, then you probably just get out. I mean,
Yeah,
the risk isn't that much.
it's true. Yeah. But also, yes, true. Once we both have enough money and we're comfortable enough on just buying and holding, yes, that'll be a day that will be great for both of us. Okay. But until then,
But with that, we have to get the Weeble card.
yes, the 500 or 1000% Weeble card. Honestly, anything over 100 is like insane. But yeah, one day, tree, one day.
Yeah.
But until then, I'll be taking my 25 to 50%ers any day of the week.
Sir. Yes, sir.
I think I'm gonna continue what I. Wait, what?
Continue what?
No, I was just gonna say I think I'm gonna continue what I've been doing like recently with like SPY and SPX because like I think I'll only play SPX like on Friday, like I don't know, just to like let off some steam or whatever. But yeah, I think for the Monday through Thursday or whenever markets open, I think I'm gonna just exclusively just play SPY or other things because SPX just gives me too much anxiety. Also, I can't talk through my trades when I trade SPX. You know?
That's what I've noticed. Like when you're in a position, you're just quiet.
Because I can't talk. Like a SPY, you know, at least will slowly climb up like 1, 2, 5, 7, 10%. SPX, we go from like 5 to like 25 in like 20 seconds, and it's like, oh. I don't know how anyone talks through trading SPX. Like educationally speaking wise, like I understand like your enters and exits, but like yeah, this is why I'm taking the SPX position here, and it's just like boom. Well.
Yeah.
Yeah, 406 coming up here though. You said this was big level, right?
Yeah, I already hit it though. The bigger level is 406.5
I see.
or 406.80, like in that area. Volume is picking up though here. God damn. Should've bought at that 9 too.
Sorry, Tree, what did you just say?
Oh, we should've bought at that 9. Remember we were like, oh, this would be the entry.
Tree, I've said this like 3 times now, okay? We could have bought the 50, we could have bought the 9, but did we? No, okay. But yeah, I don't know.
Contract would have been up 70% right now from there.
Tree, I don't need to be hearing this from you.
85.
Shut up. Okay, what's the spread looking like right now? So 39.
It's not too bad.
No, I'm talking about, or not the spread, the straddle. So to the put side, the straddle's down $40. But to the call side right now, the straddle's up $100 to the upside.
Ooh. So you're up like $40.
$60 gain.
Nice.
$60 gain on a $150 position. Yeah, that's insane actually. What the hell?
Imagine you did that with $1,000.
Okay, then we just multiply by 10. True. Oh my goodness.
600? You'd be up 600.
Yeah.
Without even having to worry that much, because you have both sides.
True. That is kind of insane though. Like 60 on 150. So 40%. 40% and I just didn't look at it at all.
Yeah.
Next Friday. Next Friday, as long as we don't get this big gap up, I will be more inclined to play it.
It's not even in the money, and you're already up that much.
Yeah. SPX is only trading at 40.52, and my call is at 40.95. So another $40 move, which would be like what?
You wouldn't even have to hold it till end of day.
Oh yeah, of course. You would not have to. But how much have we moved intraday so far?
$5.
$5?
SPX is $54.
Well, no, but that's from the close of yesterday. I was just wondering, like, intraday. Intraday,
Intraday.
SPX is only up $32. So we'd have to move another $32 for this to be in the money. In which case, SPY would have to move another, what, 402 to 46? SPY would have to hit 410 today for this contract to be in the money. Oh my goodness.
Oh, it might happen.
I mean, that is what the cards are telling us.
Alright, this will be the third touch of the trend line. If it goes down a little lower.
Okay.
Dude, I really need to take a doo-doo, but like, my toilet has no water right now.
What? I
think
just
they're
ended
fixing
this stream,
something
by the way, too, but wait,
down the
what?
stairs.